Welcome back to my video, guys. So today we are going to install stick this. uh, this is actually, there is a symbol in the steering wheel, so there you get surrounding the symbol, it will be like black, it will be black color. So today I'll be sticking this, so it will be in the red. So it will be given like two-way sticker in the back side here. So I have to remove it and just stick it to that. So this is actually an aluminium, it's aluminium uh, piece, aluminium, they took aluminium and designed it. So yeah, we'll install it. So you have to place it like this. For this you have to take out the double side tape in this. So once removed, make sure you have cleaned the surface and place it. So this is how the steering looks once it is done.